Tony. Tony.
Go fuck yourself.
Tony.
Rocky.
Do you know what a BIOS is?
No. Go fuck yourself.
It's the basic inputs and output system. It's for your motherboard. It tells all your parts what to do, how to do it. Do you want to update it?
I don't know shit.
You don't know shit?
I don't know shit.
Don't know shit. Well, come on over here and I'll show you.
Shown.
You don't want to be shown?
Why do you have to show me?
Because you're my girl. I gotta show you. All right. So first you go to your motherboard manufacturer, and then you find wherever their support is. And then you want to find your motherboard and whatever socket you have. It's going to be over here. You're going to scroll down. For me, I have the AM4 socket. If I can click it right. AM4 socket. And then the chipset is B450. And then there's a drop down of all their different models that they have. And ORS-M is what I have, and we do the search. And then you see driver OS. This is, for me, Windows 10 64-bit. And then you have all your different chipset drivers and all the other drivers, but we're focused on BIOS right now. And then here's the BIOS. And you click this little download button. Here's the little save menu. You click save, and it saves it. And what you want to do is just show. Actually, we'll do this way. Go here, go to your downloads, and here's the BIOS. It's all zipped. So then you take a nice little thumb drive, you plop it in there, and then what you're going to do is right click and extract all to your thumb drive. And here's the thumb drive, and then you select the folder, which is the F drive, and you extract it. And since I already have it there, it's like, oh, you want to replace it? I'm like, nah, I got it there. I already got F51 and 60C, which is 60C is the new 5000 series Ryzen. And then what you do is you boot into BIOS now. And then it's called a Q flash for the gigabyte. They say you can do this without a CPU or memory or like anything, pretty much, just power and a monitor. But I've never tried it without that. So now into BIOS, you leave your thumb drive plugged in. You go back, you go down here to Q flash. Go here, you go update BIOS, click that. And then you're gonna see your thumb drive here, and it will have your F51 or 60C, and all you do is you select that, you say yes, and it verifies the file. You can check over here, it says your current BIOS version, F60C, and then what you're going to, F60C. So these are the same, and then you can just hit start and you just let it finish its process, and then it'll restart, and then it should update your BIOS. If it doesn't, a lot of them have backup BIOSes, and they'll just revert back if it fails for some reason. Alright, so there's an update. A lot of you guys have been asking, not knowing how to update your BIOS, and like, oh, okay, cool, like there's a new BIOS, but how do I do it? So this is how you do it, guys. You just hit start, and it'll update it for you. It's pretty simple, quick, easy process, but there's not a whole lot of information on it out there. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you need any more information. Thank you.